Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Airsoft snipers, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Airsoft snipers, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Airsoft snipers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Well MB 4422 Full Metal Spring Sniper Rifle Airsoft Gun. The Well MB 4410 Full Metal Spring Sniper Rifle Airsoft Gun is the ultimate choice for any airsoft enthusiast. This high-performance sniper rifle boasts a robust design with a full metal barrel and a durable nylon frame. It shoots up to 430 FPS with 0.2 GBs, making it perfect for long-range precision shots. The bolt-action operation ensures you have full control over each shot, while the built-in hop-up adjustment wheel allows for optimal accuracy. Equipped with an adjustable 3-9x40 rifle scope, this sniper rifle ensures clear targeting, and the retractable or folding stock offers a tactical advantage in different scenarios. With a 36-round magazine capacity and a removable bipod for stability, this rifle is ready for action. It also includes accessories like a sling, speed loader, cleaning rod, and more. Get your hands on the Well MB 4000 and experience the thrill of precision airsoft sniping. Number 2. Double Eagle Field Marksman Bolt-Action Spring Airsoft Sniper Rifle Gun. The Double Eagle Field Marksman Bolt-Action Spring Airsoft Sniper Rifle Gun is designed for precision and durability. Featuring a high-strength ABS polymer stock and a full metal barrel, bolt and trigger, this sniper rifle delivers reliability on the field. It shoots at an impressive velocity of 400 to 420 FPS with 0.2 GBs, ensuring you'll hit your target from a distance. The adjustable hop-up system allows for fine-tuning your shots, while the front rail mount provides options for attaching accessories like bipods for added stability. With its sleek black finish and lightweight design, the Field Marksman M62 is ideal for airsoft enthusiasts seeking accuracy and power. The rifle is perfect for players looking for a realistic and tactical airsoft experience. It comes with all the essential features to elevate your gameplay, making it an excellent addition to any airsoft collection. Get ready for your next mission with the Double Eagle Field Marksman Sniper Rifle. Number 3. BBTac Airsoft Sniper Rifle with Scope M62 Bolt Action Powerful Spring Airsoft Gun. The BBTac Airsoft Sniper Rifle M62 is a powerful and realistic bolt-action spring-powered airsoft gun, perfect for players seeking precision and performance. Designed with a detailed finish and constructed from high-quality ABS polymer, this sniper rifle is built to last and withstand tough airsoft battles. It features a powerful spring-loaded mechanism, shooting with impressive power using 0.2 GBs. The rifle offers excellent stability and precision for longer shots, making it ideal for snipers who require accuracy. The bolt-action system adds to the realism, providing an authentic shooting experience with every reload. With a 20-round clip, you can reload quickly and stay in the game. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, the BBTac M62 offers a high-quality, reliable, and fun airsoft sniper rifle for any enthusiast. Elevate your game with the BBTac Airsoft Sniper Rifle M62 for a truly immersive experience on the battlefield. Number 4. Hatsan Blitz Full Auto PCP Air Rifle with included wearable paper target. The Hatsan Blitz Full Auto 0.3 cal PCP Air Rifle is a powerful limited edition air rifle designed for ultimate precision and performance. This custom color air rifle, part of an exclusive 100-unit release in the United States, delivers high velocity with a max speed of 730 FPS and up to 53 foot-pounds of energy. Equipped with a 580cc carbon fiber air tank that fills to 3625 psi, this rifle offers up to 100 shots at optimal velocity. The ergonomic all-weather synthetic stock and rubber pistol grip panels ensure superior control and comfort during use. It comes with 2 swing-load magazines and a combination Weaver and 11M dovetail optics rail for added versatility. For easy aiming, it includes a one-piece carry handle with open sights. This rifle also features a built-in pressure gauge and manual safety switch for added convenience and safety. Get ready for an incredible shooting experience with the Hatsan Blitz. Number 5. Umarex NXG APX Multi-Pump Pneumatic Youth BB Gun Air Rifle. The Umarex NXG APX Multi-Pump Pneumatic Youth BB Gun Air Rifle is the perfect choice for young or smaller-framed shooters looking to enhance their shooting experience. Designed with modern features, this air rifle offers a dual ammunition system that shoots both 0.177 caliber pellets and steel BBs. The ergonomic, impact-resistant stock and narrow grip curve provide better control and comfort, making it ideal for shooters with smaller hands. Its multi-pump action and easy-load pellet ramp make reloading quick and simple for both right and left-handed users. The adjustable rear sight and fiber-optic front sight ensure improved accuracy, while the integrated tactical-style scope mounting system allows easy scope attachment to keep it locked in place. Featuring an automatic safety for added security, this rifle delivers both reliability and performance, making it an excellent choice for youth and beginners in airgunning. Experience fun and precision with the Umarex NXG APX. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.